Sibonani lena question iqala from question 3 up to simenzile u-3.2.2 sifuna ilo the height above the ground at which object A edlula object B as 5.13 meters, then isikhathi la bethu edlala khona for 0.44 seconds. Then nayi question ukuthi isikhathi esiphelile esesizoyenza kule video le. Then base bethi draw a position time graph not to scale for the entire motion of objects A and objects B on the same set of axes for the entire motion. Shuthi yonke le ndlela abayihambile. Then on the same set of axes from the moment they are projected. Shuthi siqala kuphi kuyidweba le graph from the project. Shuthi go for A from this point up until to full motion yakhe, from this point to B up until to full motion yakhe. Then so indicator, this is basically label the graphs and clearly indicate the following. Label ama graph wakho ukhombise lokhu okulandelayo. Ikuphi okulandekayo? The height where the objects pass each other. I-height lapho bese ubendlulana khona object A no object B. Then basibethi the time the objects pass each other as t. Ulabel lesi sikhathi as uT. Kusho ukuthini ke mabethi as uT? Kusho ukuthi ba assume ukuthi uT asinayo thina because bathe as uT kube bathe nalabo kumele bethi the height as h. Should bayasho ukuthi siyamazi h because basibuzile yena kule question. Kusho ukuthi thina kunendlela enye simple engakwazi ukuthi sinikeze straight or because it doesn't matter ukuthi senze kanjani. But ke siku graph njengamanje lana is 0 because they say position. This is supposed to a displacement. Displacement time graph. Then indicate ama units wakho. Then nesikhathi along the x-axis in seconds. So mdweba ko A ukuthi uhambe kanjani. Then i-position time graph ithi ingcono ke namanye ama graph wadwebayo kule topic because yona i-representa i-motion ye-objects as uliphansi ibhola. Yabona ungadweba umugqa nje ukuthi lihambe ibhola uliphansi lapha phezulu then lezi la phansi. Indicator leyo motion leyo the pathway esuke icover ile objects as it is. Kuba kanjalo kuba straight line la then kuba into ekahle yabo. So for bese kuba then object A for emotion yakhe izothini uqale from 0 angithi siyabona ngithi then uqale from 0 height displacement asose ikhavile la suke ihlale ngakhavile so then relaxile it's 0 futhi from 0 this point is 0 yenza njani ke as air phezulu displacement yakhe uyibuza nge-displacement angithi then nangesikhathi then isikhathi siyahamba vele siya increase then displacement yakhe from la isuke ku-0 from la suke se-increasile mhlawumbe seyi-2 then from suke sewu-6 suke sewubani then shuthi iya-increase yiloko esinesho yakho nesikhathi siya-increase shuthi iya-increase kanje yabo because nesikhathi kumele si-increase akumele ukuthi kube straight line esikhuphukayo because mase siyihambisa kanje sisithini displacement iya-increase ukuthi isikhathi siloko si-remain ku-2-0 ingakho kuba yinto e-curved toward the ama-points lapho khona isikhathi si-increasela ngakhona. Then bese kuthini uya-increase senze for each object then size sofika egcineni kwe-graph uya-increase then phela kaloku increase angithi so restrictela izinto abayishilo kuze khona singashiyo kunye endleleni as la bethi the height where the objects pass each other should increase as afike kephi height yakhe uya-increase angithi uya-increase height yakhe up to this point sithi ngesithenga sebeyandlulana la futhi kumele si-indicate leyo height leyo ukuthi wesefika height enganani increase isuke seyubani 5.13 futhi increase then suke u-0 right displacement lana isuke seyubani sithi la isuke seyubani 5.1 this is displacement 5.13 maqondana le point futhi isuke seyubani ayikafiki maximum height ngeke ize curve ukuthi seyibuyela downward futhi up to this point isuke seyubani isuke seyireach ini point lapho khona bese kubedlulana khona. Siyeke kulokho njani. Okay, angazi noma ngiqhubeze then izoba kanje. Base bethi sesi indicate le height lapho khona for ulokho njani. For object A, yeah, suke A la 5.13 meters. Then for ulo is time esimthathayo ukuthi yandlulana naloyana object B, sithatha bani from here up to this point 0.44. Ngalesikhathi ngibandlula ngisho leli point leli funa nale graph la enye indlule khona because badingana kuleli point like ama graph kade ngisho ngithi shuthi la ke simeni siyobheka object B up until to this point simfundeni ukuthi uwenza kanjani. Object B masimbheka ngithi yambo ukuthi akekho ku0 yena kodwa above u0 displacement yakhe isu0 shuthi le above iubani 9.616. Then abasho ukuthi indicate but singa indicate that because siyebalila ngithi shuthi i-value 9.616 ilele phezulu shuthi ake sithi la 9.616 iqala la ku 9.616 isikhathi sisewu0 singakahambi yabo wonke aqala ku0 isikhathi singakahambi yabo because nala kunjalo yenza njani ke lesi displacement iya increase iya downward angithi yabo shuthi mayihamba 8 increase ya upward then ayihamba 8 increase ya downward iya increase ngeke increase phela ngithi ize ngapha because may increase ngapha seyishuthi nesikhathi kumele si decrease kanjani siyahamba isikhathi hlezi phambili shuthi kumele iya approach isikhathi increaseayo ku 0.6257 yabo iya increase then izenze njani increase njalo up to this point iya increase from la increase up to this point at this point suke seyilingana isikhathi suke sesishuthi graph suke seyiqondene nama axes ayisikhathi esu 0.44 shuthi lapho suke selithintene nama graph yabo lento sezama graph ngeke ibe nzima then up to this point shuthi la then bayandlulana la up to this point this is B, this is object A. Base for i-enter motion, okay. Objects object A mayela sibeyandlulana la shuthi ulobe eqhubekile ikhuphukela yena. Then shuthi uyaqhubeka object A sengivumisa manje. Then for object A black object A uya increase njalo hambe 80 yeah. Then object B yena uya decrease njalo aye phansi. Then zo decrease kanje aqhubeke aye phansi increase ine so to decrease because we approach your negative then so yeah we are increase but in a downward downward direction uthi ihamba kanje yeah then iqhubeke then kukanje this is A, this is B ikanjena igraph yethu si indicate le isikhathi lapho khona bendlulana khona as uT shuthi le isikhathi from la le point leli silingana nobani no T base bethi the height where the objects pass each other ile height ile yeah iyo le height okay so I indicate as h because mothanda which is h la then yeah kuba kanje then kuba 4 marks then yeah iphelela kanjena ke lokho njani yethu kanje okay maybe ungayiqhubezela kodwa kusabalekile because abasitshelanga for another information kodwa basitshele ukuthi okay but cabanga ukuthi kuphelela la for A uhambile wandlula then wafika bounce laphana then yeah kodwa bayisho into eningi shothi uya increase funa increase azayo reach yipi maximum height yakhe lela shuthi leyo yonke le shuthi mela la yobe bounce khona uzofika la afike la mayifika la then uya bounce wonke into iyashintsha base kulo kuso answer le question lena yase Northwest ayivezi le yonke le part sengiveza mina but singiyakuvezela ukuthi yenza njani kahle yonke lento yenza kanjani la lama dots asho ukuthi sekushintsha direction manje change direction yeah it's like this then yeah then up to this point lapho khona sayifika khona sayibhanza then from lelo point lelo yeah iphelela kanje for A then for uB awasitshela ngayo ukuthi uyabhanza yini ngakho simshiya kanje yeah iphelela kanje for A up to this point besitshela ukuthi uyabhanza yeah because basitshele bathi ne ubhanza lapha ngo 1.4 meters per second then abuyele phansi kwi-ground, yeah, then abuyela ku-ground futhi